little bit of a log jam there. That's sixth fastest. Leibfarth, fourth in the C1 final. 21-year-old from the USA. One of the paddlers that's been in everything so far. His 11th qualifier in the time trial. Been in the team's K1 event, the US team finishing 6th. Furious stroke rate.
Absolutely. Evie has one of the highest stroke rates in the field. It absolutely gets the job done for her. She blasted onto the senior circuit when she was only 15 years old and medalled at the second World Cup she ever raced in. Evie has a lifelong commitment to slalom. She got her first kayak when she was 4 years old. Her parents travel the world supporting her. She's coached by her father.
Very much of the whitewater, aren't they? They love it. Outdoors life. Based at the National Whitewater Centre. To build her career at such a young age. She's going to be the focus of much of the attention when it comes to the Los Angeles Olympic Games, you would imagine. So 3.47 and too bad over the bottom part of the course here. She's been able to trim some time from that. She has quite a bit, 0.91. So 106.59.